Hey guys, welcome back to Only Mods. Today we're going to be painting these rims black, so let's get to it. Okay, so step one is to jack up the car, get these rims off, and then we'll give them a good clean. Okay, so next you have to pull out all of these black tabs from your stock wheels with this little hook. After you've pulled out the tabs, now you've got to go on with a size 17 socket. Just pull out all the lug nuts. On each spoke there should be on each wheel there should be a speciality thing which you should have in your car. So just go ahead and remove all the lug nuts. Okay, so next step is we're gonna have to clean these rims. I'll be using this heavy duty easy off oven clean. Works like a charm, cleans all the brake dust really easy, very little scrubbing that you need to do. Yeah, I've already pulled off the blue sticker. It's a piece of vinyl that I just wanted to check if it was good quality, holding down the rim while I was driving, and yeah, it's been on the car for a month, plenty of kilometers, so should be good. So let's get to cleaning. Okay, so you're going to want to let this sit for about 5 minutes and then come back and give it a good scrub. So I've just got one of these little bottle cleaners and it does the job just fine. So you're going to want to get into all the edges, all the little corners, all the nooks and crannies, and clean it out nicely so that the paint sticks. Sweet. Now I just need to give them a good rinse. Okay, so the next step is you're going to want to sand these rims with 150 grit sandpaper. As you can see, you just want to get into all the nooks and crannies, give it a nice surface for the paint to grab. Then after that, what you want to do is you're going to want to take some tape it around the rim like that, and then cut out some pieces of paper or a plastic bag, depending on where you are. Here in WA, we don't have plastic bags, we only have paper bags, so I use some Woolies bags. Cut them in the shape of the wheel, stick them down. Then after that, you're going to want to paint them. So this one just finished painting, still a bit wet, as you can see. Just give it a good coat. Then after that, give it a second coat on this side. This one's had a second coat. It's drying up really nicely. Should be good to touch. Yep, there you go. Very nice matte finish. And then after, what you want to do is you're going to want to turn this rim over, then do the inside, and then just complete all that for the remaining 3 wheels. Okay, so I've given them all a second coat. They look really nice. So now I'm just going to let them dry, flip them over, and then do the inner. Mainly because we had to sand everything down. It took quite a while, but yeah, this is the end product. Looks really nice in the front, sprayed the back. Don't have to worry about this because obviously you don't see it, but sprayed the rest of it. Looks really neat. Start pulling this off and then putting it on the car, so let's go. Now that all the rims are done, you can put them back on your car. Okay, so you want to torque it down to 120. Mate, looking good. Look at that. So we've got the black rims now. Looks very neat and tidy. Very nice. Okay, let's get those caps, center caps done. And we'll chuck them on and see what it looks like. Alright guys, so this is what I came up with. We've got a little bit of blue vinyl on top of some black vinyl. Looks really nice. The edges don't matter too much because it's going to get stuck in there. But yeah, let's check it out.